Activity 1, Unit 2, Moment 2, Modal Verbs, by Mariana Alejandra Pérez Díaz. Modal auxiliares. They are used before other verbs in tag questions and short answers. Number 1. Mention the modal verb listed. Can, for present, could for past. This use can and could to say that someone is able to do something. Should. You can use should to ask for advice, offer something and suggest some things. Might. Use might to talk about things that are possible or likely. Must. Use must to talk about things that you have to do. Number 2. What is the negative structure of modal verbs? Is subject, modal verb, and infinitive. I can't, not, or can't. He can't, not, or can't. She can't, not, or can't. We could not or couldn't. We shouldn't. You might not or mightn't. They must not or mustn't. Number 3. What is the question form of modal verbs? Modal verb can, could, should, might, must, and subject I, he, she, it, we, you, they, and the verb in infinitive. Number 4. Give an example of each one both in affirmative and negative. Modal verbs can. Example in affirmative. I can jump. Could. He could play the piano. Should. You should go to the doctor. Might. You might see her tomorrow. Must. She must return later. Modal verb and example in negative. I can't jump. He couldn't play the piano. You shouldn't go to the doctor. You mightn't see her tomorrow. She must not return later.